Missed the shot? Not with this camera. This is the new Insta360 X6, and it's designed to capture every angle at once. Instead of worrying about framing, just hit record. The X6 shoots in full 360 degrees, meaning you can choose your angle later. So if your camera skills can be questionable, this has got your back. Image quality is seriously impressive too. With dual 1 to 1.1 inch sensors and up to 8K 360 video, you're getting sharp footage, great low light performance, and smooth stabilization whether you're shooting day or night. And here's the bit content creators are going to love. The X6 can automatically handle things like reframing and editing for you, turning your footage into share-ready content with minimal effort. 1 minute it's a 360 camera, the next it's shooting wide-angle POV or smooth gimbal-style footage. It's basically multiple cameras rolled into one. You'll get up to 100 minutes of 8K recording, so there's plenty of battery for big adventures, travel days, or content shoots. And despite everything it can do, it's still compact, pocketable, and built to go wherever you do. If you're a creator, traveler, or just someone who never wants to miss the moment, the Insta360 X6 might be the smartest camera in your kit. Check it out now at JB Hi-Fi.